Hello, it's Essie here with a Traveller's Notebook process video for Lottie Loves Paper using the current Sweet Moments kit. And I've got photographs here from my recent holiday with my other half, and just going to pop these in my Traveller's Notebook for the month of March. I'm using a page, sometimes 2 pages a month in my Traveller's Notebook just to document the year. And I'm going to, so my holiday, I started off, it's a bit cheeky really. We flew in March, came back in April, so I'm able to use my holiday photographs for both months. I'm starting off with some of this script paper, which is from Pink Paisley and Paige Evans Horizon, and the kit this month is a mixture of papers and embellishments from the Horizon collection and also from Amy Tangerine Stay Sweet collection, and it is really beautiful. And although there's lots of travel themed stuff, there's also lots of embellishments that you could use for other everyday things too. So in my head, I've got that I want to layer some pieces of this paper down my page with punched edges. I'm trying to get some detail and texture into my page without adding too much bulk, because my Traveller's Notebook, as you can see, is getting quite full. So I'm going to not wanting to use sort of heavy embellishments or lots of thick layers. So I've cut as you can see, I've cut that piece of that strip of paper there and punched the edges, and hopefully that will work with being able to layer it down the page. I want to map my photographs, so I'm just having a look at the other pages in the kit to try and choose which paper to map them on, and then there you can see all the gorgeous papers that are in this month's, that's the 12 by 12 add-on paper kit. And I purchased that and the basic embellishment kit this month, and then one of the add-ons, which you'll see shortly, some puffy stickers. So I've chosen that teal colour to map my photographs on, and I'm just going to tuck that first one under that first edge there, getting the placement right before committing to the glue. Popping that down, and that's us in the airport waiting for our gate number to be called, which it just seems to go on forever, that bit, when you're just kind of waiting, you just can't wait to get on the plane and get going, and it seems to take forever, that bit. We did have breakfast with coffee and breakfast to fill some time, and because we'd been up at 5 and hadn't eaten, but that's kind of all part and parcel of going on holiday, isn't it? So just layering those pieces up, and I'm really pleased with how you can still see that I wasn't sure how that was going to work with the layering, but you can still see enough of the words to make sense. Sticking the edges down there where they're peeling, I think because the book's quite full, the page isn't lying flat, so needing a bit of extra glue on the edges to keep them stuck down. And then I'm going to, before I go on to embellish, I'm going to do the other side and then embellish the 2 pages together. So I've got that lovely aeroplane paper, and the other side is gorgeous as well with that pink ombre. But we're going to use the aeroplanes, and again, that's from Paige Evans Horizon. So I'm just going to stick that piece straight on to the page. And obviously, because it's the same collection, the colours work perfectly with the opposite page. And these are photographs from the aeroplane window, obviously. And the other photograph on the other page is us on the aeroplane, just waiting for takeoff. Matting those onto the other side of that teal so that they've got a dark edge. I thought that worked with the whole sort of through the window effect, because the photographs are through the window. So I thought that dark edge worked best. Sticking those down onto the page before I come in with the embellishments. I'm going to put some across, want some journaling tags or something across there. So this is the embellishment kit. You've got the sticker sheet from Paige Evans Horizons. You've got the floral embellishment die cut pack. They're these beautiful, beautiful thickers. And these really sweet little enamel hearts from Amy Tangerine. And then this is that's the puffy stickers, which were one of the add-ons that I bought in addition to the basic embellishment kit. Starting off with the sticker sheet from Horizons, there's lots of different themed stickers on here, lots of travel, but also florals and hearts and butterflies, words that can be used for sort of everyday things as well. So that sticker says see the world, so I'm going to pop that down there. I've got these little black letter stickers from my stash. Lottie Loves Paper do some very similar stickers from the Creative Devotion range, little black letter stickers, and but I just happen to have these in my stash already. They're really, really useful. Actually, the Creative Devotion ones, you get lowercase as well. So I've popped my title on. I could have done Ready for Takeoff, but it was a bit long. So I went with Buckle Up. And now I've got these little journaling tabs, which were from a previous kit from Lottie Loves Paper. And these are from Pretty Little Studios. So I'm just writing a little bit of journaling along the bottom, keeping it on that bottom edge because I want to tuck these up underneath the photograph, or either the photograph or one of the layers of paper. So that one I'm going to tuck up there. And then the other one I'm going to take that yellow sticker off, tuck in under the photograph. I kind of toyed with the idea of trying to put the sticker on, but then realised that I cover my face up, which is not probably a bad thing, but it didn't look right. So I decided to pop that on the other page along the side of that sticker, that photograph even. So then I'm going to come in with some more stickers using that Departed sticker. And these little really pretty word stickers are also from Pretty Little Studios. They were in the same Lottie Loves Paper kit as the labels. And there's just some really useful, all sorts of phrases on here, as you can see, in lots of different colours. And they work really well for all sorts of things. So just adding a few strips of stickers of word I really love. I probably say this in every single video I do. I should stop saying it. I really love word strips and word stickers. I did toy the idea of using that suitcase, but thought it was probably a bit big. So I'll save that for another layout. I've used that really cute camera from the puffy stickers. The rest of those stickers are kind of fruits and flowers, so they'll be useful for other pages because I have got lots of photographs of food, funnily enough, from our holiday. Sticking with the sort of flight themed stickers here then, and that gorgeous heart, which is sort of ombre blue, and I just think works perfectly with the photographs from the aeroplane windows with the sky and the clouds. Just more word strip stickers to pop along the side of that yellow one, just contrasting there. And then I've got these little tiny enamel hearts from Amy Tangerine. They're really cute. The tiny ones are really useful for this size page. And lots of different colours. A little bit fiddly, but they're really cute. And then these stickers were from, they're actually from March last year, 2018 kit. And I've still got them in my stash. So I'm just going to add those as well. They're from Crepe Paper, I believe, and they were in a kit which was all very travel themed with some gorgeous papers and other embellishments in. So I think that's me done. I'm going to write the date over the top corner there, and I hope you've enjoyed watching my process video. See you soon. Bye.